I am heading to the desert with Windsor. I just got my huge order in, so we're gonna do an unboxing. There is a lot in here, so buckle up. I am so excited! Let's start with shoes. First are these black pair with the buckle and silver studs. Second pair of shoes, similar, but these have buckles that go all the way up. I also got them in a cream. I'm realizing that I ordered too many shoes. I needed to have options, you know? I love a chunky boot. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a tough choice. I do have 3 days. Guys, why did I order so many shoes? You just never know what's gonna look good with the outfit. I have a basic black pair of cowgirl boots. Okay, I promise this is the last pair of shoes. I think I blacked out when I placed this order. These are insane. I'm gonna have a very hard time figuring out what shoes to wear. Holy cow, where do I start? Okay, we have this brown lacy flowy top. I don't even remember what I ordered because I ordered so much. She's a little wrinkly, but we have an oversized black leather jacket. It gets cold at night in the desert. Oh my gosh, a hat. Yeehaw. A little buckle purse. A bandana is a must. It's looking like I ordered too many shoes and accessories and not enough clothes. I have this black asymmetrical fringe lace top. What did I buy? Long sleeve sheer thingy. Okay, I got these little brown ruffly shorts to go with that first brown top. A little black mini top. A little graphic tank top. It says, "Life happens, tequila helps." Not me ordering jeans. These are sick. This might be really cute with this. I got this like see-through sheer thing to wear with this mini black top. I definitely need to order more clothes. We have this little sequence zebra purse. I'm obsessed with this. I ordered a lot of accessories and there is more in there. I'm gonna move you closer. We're gonna do the accessories speed round. A belt, a mini purse keychain, cross necklace, a belt chain, some bangles, more bangles, another gold belt, cross earrings, sunnies, earrings, bracelets, a cherry keychain for the purse, more rings, cross necklace, arm cuff is sick. That is so cool. A watch bracelet, more rings, some bracelets, brown shades, vibes. Another sick pair of sunnies. I am gonna go try on all of this, see what outfits I can come up with. I will definitely be sharing with you guys and needing your help picking what I'm gonna wear. As always, thank you guys for hanging out with me in my closet. I will see you very soon for try on videos. Bye guys.